Hello everyone, I am Givagis from Cisco Support Group. In this video, we are going to learn how to troubleshoot a SIP IP phone which is not getting registered with CUCME. Before watching this video, I would recommend you to visit the following URL which explains on registering a 79 series IP phone using SIP protocol. Here we are going to use a cool tool called CCP, nothing but Cisco Configuration Professional, which is a GUI based software to configure the CME router. For this, first we need to run the following commands on the router so that the router could be discovered by the CCP. Now let's see the demo. First open the CCP. Here, since we have entered our router IP and credentials, click OK. Now click on Discover button. Once the CME router got discovered, click on Flash File Management. Here you can see that you have only the iOS software and a couple of folders inside the flash. Now you click on Configure button and select Unified Communication Features. Click on Edit and select the radio button for CUCME after selecting the IP telephony and click OK. This will run the following lines of command on the router which otherwise you need to type on the CLI of the router. Click Deliver. Now navigate to VoIP settings. Click on Edit. Here select all the checkboxes and click OK. Similarly, do the same on SIP settings and H323 settings tab. Now when you click Deliver, the following commands will be inserted into the router. Now navigate back to telephony settings and click Edit. Here mention the protocol name, number of phones, extension and the source IP address. Navigate to the System Config tab and furnish the following details. Like system username, that is admin, then password, what password you have given, and click OK. Now by clicking Deliver, the telephony settings related commands have been entered into the router. Now go to the extension and give the details. Here click on users, phone and extensions, and then select extensions and click create. Give the primary number as 1001, name to be displayed as Cisco, and click OK. Now by clicking deliver, the label will be inserted into the router. Similarly, select the options phones and users. Select the phone model, as here we are going to select the phone model as 7941. Give the MAC address. Associate the number, only one number we have given, that is 1001. Associate that number with the particular MAC address IP phone and click OK, which in turn deliver the following commands into the CME router. The next step is to enter the phone firmware wizard. On the window shown, select the option as upload phone firmware files on the device flash and configure them. Here select browse and select the file firmware which you have already downloaded. Here we have already downloaded the 7941 firmware, so that is the firmware. We are selecting that and click next. Here the important thing is the load, that is SIP 41.8-4-2s. Now we are associating this load to the TFTP server. That is telling the location where that file is located. Now if you navigate to Flash File Management, you can see the zip firmware files got uploaded into the flash. Here the main file os79xx.txt is missing. The troubleshooting part is to create that file in a notepad and upload it to the flash. This file is a case sensitive and must only contain name of the file that you want to load. Let's see how we can do that. We are telnetting to the router. Now opening a notepad, and in this particular notepad we are going to give the load without any extension. That is, we are opening a notepad and saving it as os79xx.txt. Since we are using the load SIP 41.8-4-2s, we are just typing that without any bin extension, and we are just typing copy TFTP flash. The important thing is this os79xx.txt file tells the Cisco IP phone which binary to download from the TFTP server. Give the IP address, source and destination file name. so that it may be get uploaded to the flash. Now coming to CCP, if we refresh the flash file management, we can see that the file got uploaded into the flash. Now our next step is to associate that file to the TFTP server. Since we are using TFTP to download the configuration files into the phone, so the troubleshooting step, it is important to verify that the Cisco SIP IP phone network configuration parameters and the phone is obtaining the proper IP addressing information and all. We are just typing TFTP server flash and the file name. Just refreshing it again so that the profile get created once again, and we are trying to see whether the phone got registered or not. But unfortunately it's not getting registered, so we need to reboot the phone and come back and see again. Here we are typing the command voice register all. We can see that the phone got registered. Coming down, the MAC address, everything, we can see the phone got registered, got the number 1001 as the extension, and it got registered. I got the IP address 192.168.0.3. So show voice register all is the command what we have used. Now we can also use show voice register pool 1 command. Here also we can see that phone got registered. Hope this is useful for you and would like to thank you for viewing. Do visit Cisco support community for similar videos. Thank you.